I made this custom font out of homemade sugar cookies and it turned out so freaking cute, but I ended up having a bunch of royal icing left over. I didn't know what to do with it until today. We're gonna make some homemade sprinkles. I'm excited. These are so easy and cute. Since this was in the freezer, the color has actually separated. So the water content and the food coloring separated from the sugar mixture. So we're just gonna have to bring those back together. I'm gonna start with white. Ugh. Right now it's really chunky, it's super separated, but I'm just going to mix vigorously and it'll come right back together. Okay, that took 4 seconds. I think I'm going to add a little bit more powdered sugar. I could leave it like this and it would work perfectly fine, but adding a little bit more sugar is going to make it a little stiffer, which means it will dry quicker, and that's better for me because I'm extremely impatient. Perfect. That's one down. Okay, so I want them to hold their shape once they've been piped. So when I drop it down, I want it to not immediately disperse. I want it to have a little bit of shape. Light pink. Orange. Ooh. Purple, and we're done. Now for the easy part. I'm gonna make some basic sprinkles first. These are our colors. They look just as good as the first day I made them. And I love these sprinkles. My font colorings were actually inspired by these sprinkles, but they're very expensive. I'm pretty sure I paid like maybe, I wanna say $10 per jar, and that's a lot. So if I have extra frosting that already matches it, I'm just gonna make them. You don't need piping tips. You don't need anything super fancy. The very tip. And I'm gonna do a little bit thicker. I don't want ultra, ultra, ultra skinny sprinkles. I'm gonna do a test stripe though, just to see if I like it. Yeah, that's a good size. And then you just pipe some lines. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle. And the beauty of this is they do not have to be perfect because you're just gonna break them all up anyways. Look how pretty. I'm going to continue piping out all of the colors, and then we're gonna let these dry overnight and we'll finish them in the morning. But it's all gonna be one part, okay? I'm not gonna make you wait. Good morning. It is the next day. We're gonna break up our sprinkles. All of our sprinkles have hardened. It's this easy, guys. Got our red and pink, orange and yellow, green and blue, and purple. And then I'm just going to brush them up. Can you see how freaking cute these look? I'm gonna spread them out nice and thin. And then I'm going to use some luster dust just to give them a nice sheen. And I just spray and shake. You don't want to spray too much, otherwise they will get wet and they will clump together. These are homemade sprinkles. They're really pretty. So easy to make. Something I like is that if you're doing like a custom cookie set and you want sprinkles that match exactly, you can literally just make them. And then just take one of the parchments that you were using, pour all of the sprinkles onto it, and you have a homemade funnel. Homemade rainbow sprinkles. Okay, love you, bye.